Hi teachers, this is our Bulldog Math Packs for telling time. So in here, we have a Zingo, which is like a bingo for telling time. And we have a Judy clock that we can take a look at, and we have some activities that you can do with telling time. One of the neat features about this Judy clock is on the back it has a stand, so you can pop that in here and it'll stand up. This Judy clock was selected for this pack because it has the gears on the back so that when you move the minute hand, the hour hand moves along with it. Your para or you or a parent could check this out and they could utilize this and talk about telling time. In our packet right here, this is a wonderful thing for you to use with a small group of students or for you to use with a para. This talks about the shorthand and pointing just to the hours. The second one talks about the minute hand, being able to point to just the minutes and being able to count minutes on the clock. And then the third one is where they're both combined. And then you can talk about the hour hand and where that sits, and then minute hand and how that's counting the numbers on the outside. That also goes along with that Judy clock, so your para would have everything that they would need in this backpack. Or if you were teaching a smaller group, you can do those lessons right there. So it's all done for you and all made for you. The other one right here, this is taking a look at 25 minutes to or after, or 5 minutes to or after. So you choose a time and you make that time with your student, and then what time is it now? 25 minutes later, what will it be? And 25 minutes before, what will it be? So you can make these as hard or as easy as you want. You'll need a Expo marker to do something like this, and then it just wipes off the sheets. This is the Zingo game. This is a fun little game that a parent could play with a student, or you could do in a small group. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs for you to do, bingo cards. On the front is the easier version of the card. On the back is the harder version of the card. So I would say this is probably 1st and 2nd grade. This would be 3rd, 4th if they're still having a little difficulty with math. The Zingo little plastic chips are in here. You just slide this forward and slide this back, and it has 8 hours, 5 minutes. And if you have a card that has an 8 on it, you yell 8 hours, and then you put this on your card for 8 hours. Someone else might yell 5 minutes, and they can put this on the card that has 5 minutes. If it doesn't have that card, let's say there's no 50 minutes in here, you just set that off to the side. It's kind of like the dud in the group. And then you can play that. If you play it on the back side, this one has the time already there, and the students are looking to find those hours, and they're looking to find these minutes. And when the card is completely filled up, they yell Zingo instead of bingo. That's what's in our Bulldog Math Telling Time.